5 things that can transform your room, with the last one being my favorite. Number 1, something that defines you. Every room needs one thing that screams, "This is me." Action figures, car models, Lego builds, collectibles, or any unique decor piece. Add stuff you like. Number 2, one of the last things I added to my room was also one of the most important things, plants. And the best part, it doesn't even have to be real. They make any space feel designed instantly. Artificial plants instantly make your room feel fresh, cleaner, and a lot more put together. Number 3, this one doesn't get enough credit. You don't really see it, but you feel it the moment you walk in. Aromatic Oil Diffuser. A good scent can completely change the mood of your room. One scent, and suddenly your room feels different, even if nothing else changed. Number 4, ever felt like your room is missing something, but you can't explain what? It's usually the walls. That's where posters come in. Posters, minimal, inspirational, or even your favorite movie, instantly add life and style. Once you put one up, you'll realize your room was never boring. It was waiting to tell a story. Number 5, the easiest way to make your room look smarter? Books. You don't need to read them every day. Just having them around adds warmth, depth, and a quiet message. Stack them on your desk, line them on a shelf, and suddenly your room doesn't just look good. It feels intentional, cozy, evolved. These 5 simple upgrades can make your room feel more you. Which one are you adding next? If you like upgrades that make your room better, hit subscribe. I've got more coming.